In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your dashboard and how to safely update your store's currency settings step by step. Let's start inside your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. Once you're on the main admin homepage, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click that. This is where most of your store's core configuration lives, so it's the right place to be for updating currency. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different sections for things like payments, checkout, and notifications. For this task, you want to select General. Give that a click, and it will open up your basic store information page, where Shopify keeps details such as your store name, contact information, and some default settings. On this general page, scroll until you find a section called Store Defaults. This is the area that controls your primary settings, including your store's currency. Within this section, look for Currency Display. On the right side of that line, you should see an icon with 3 horizontal dots. These dots usually indicate that there are more options available. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. From that drop-down, choose the option that says Change Store Currency. This is the key control that lets you switch your store's main selling currency. When you click it, Shopify will open a panel or window where you can select a new currency for your store. Now, you'll be able to choose the currency you want from the available list. Take a moment here to pick the currency that matches the primary market you're selling to, such as US dollars, euros, or another supported currency. Underneath, Shopify may ask you for a reason for changing your currency. This field is optional, so you can either briefly explain why you're making the change or simply leave it blank if you prefer. Once you're happy with your selection, the final step is to save your changes. Click the Save button to confirm the new store currency. Shopify will process the update and apply this currency as your default for prices throughout your store. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the currency on your Shopify store.